All right, today we're gonna bring a little press for your tortillas. If you guys can notice, I just put this is parched paper, setting up my little balls ready to go. Press them in here. I walk over. I start cooking them right away. We're gonna make homemade tacos with our own homemade tortillas. So very simple. We're setting it up right now. I'm gonna show you how it works. So when you get it, it's a little heavy duty, so be careful. Just make sure you press it right when you're doing it. Use parchment paper underneath on the bottom. Some people like to use flour. Don't use flour. It's gonna burn out on the actual pan. So make sure you don't use any flour. Balls in the center, paper's out. Hold this, try to hold it tight as you want. You want the paper to be center, right? Just to be center, so it won't spread out. So it's kind of pretty much evened out. You guys can see that. So once we have it at this point, all you got to do is push it down first and then press it. All right, I'm gonna press it down. It's thinning out. Look at that. There it is. Perfect tortilla, ready to go. They're not 100% perfect, but they taste really good. So I'm gonna show you a finished plate. Look at that beautiful, lots of cheese, your taco, your beans, ready to go. I hope you guys enjoy the video.